In this video, we're going to be taking a look at reviewing prepositions, and I want you to get out your writing journal, pencil, and your practice companion book. So remember that prepositions show relationships between nouns and other words. Okay, so we can see for the one up here, she walked into the library. So we can see how into connects she walked and then also the library. And then we have she took a book from the shelf. So she took a book, connecting it to the shelf. Now let's take a look at the prepositions in the sentences below. And I will underline these. The first one, it says the boy walked around the garden and went in the gate. So we can see first one here, around the garden, and then also in the gate for the prepositions. The next one says Arnold looked through the window on the west side of the house. So we have through as a preposition, and then also on as a preposition as well. Final sentence, Gina and Tom will sing during the intermission. And we have during for the preposition. So we can see that prepositions show relationship between nouns and other words. Okay, so we have here Arnold looked and then through. Okay, talking about how Arnold looked through the window on the west side of the house. So you can see how those prepositions are showing relationships between nouns and also other words. Now what I want you to do is turn to Practice Companion Book, page 179, and we will have some more review on prepositions. Okay, so you can see how this works here. It says use prepositions in, on, or at to complete the following sentences. So we can see my house is on Compton Avenue. Next one, her Aunt Jessie lives, see, in Brooklyn. And you can see how these prepositions are connecting to other words in the sentences that we see for numbers 1 through 2 so far. Number 3, my dad will meet us at the front door. So you can see how this works for numbers 4 and 5, and then numbers or the ones in section B, you'll use in, for, since, during. And then section C, you can use by or until to complete the sentences as well. So what I want you to do is pause the video and complete the rest of these 12 sentences with the correct prepositions. And when you're finished, you can press play and I will have the answers for you. So pause the video now. Okay, so let's take a look at number 4 in section A. It was very cold in the restaurant. Number 5, another family sat at the table with us. Section B, I have been taking piano lessons since last year. Number 2 is in. Number 3 is for. Number 3 is for. Number 4 is during. Number 5 is since. Section C, number 1 is by, number 2 is until, number 3 is until, number 4 is by, and number 5 is until as well. Now just a quick review. Prepositions. Remember that a preposition is a part of speech that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other words in the sentence. So this concludes the video on prepositions. If you have any questions about this concept, please come and see me.